Hello, this is the Pilot's Handbook of Aeronautical Knowledge. This is Chapter 10. Chapter 10, Aircraft Performance. Alright. Chapter 10.1. 10.1, Introduction. The chapter discusses the factors that affect aircraft performance, which include aircraft weight, atmospheric conditions, runway environment, and the fundamental physical laws governing the forces acting on an aircraft. Importance of performance data. The Performance or Operational Information section of the Aircraft Flight Manual, Pilot's Operating Handbook, the AFM/POH, contains operated data from the aircraft, that is, the data pertaining to takeoff, climb, range, endurance, descent, and landing. The use of this data in flying operations is mandatory for safe and efficient operation. Considerable knowledge and familiarity of the aircraft can be gained through study of this material. 10.2. It must be emphasized that the manufacturer's information and data furnished in the AFM-POH is not standardized. Some provide the data in a tabular form, while others use graphs. In addition, the performance data may be presented on the basis of standard atmospheric conditions, pressure, altitude, or density altitude. The performance information in the AFM/POH has little or no value unless the user recognizes those variations and makes the necessary adjustments. To be able to make practical use of the aircraft's capabilities and limitations, it is essential to understand the significance of the operational data. The pilot must be cognizant of the basis for the performance data as well as the meanings of the various terms used in expressing performance capabilities and limitations. Since the characteristics of the atmosphere have a major effect on performance, it is necessary to review two dominant factors, pressure and temperature. Alright, we'll go with the structure of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is an envelope of air that surrounds the Earth and rests upon its surface. It is as much as part of the Earth as its land and water. However, air differs from land and water in as much as it is a mixture of gases. It has mass, weight, and indefinite shape. Air, like any other fluid, is able to flow and change its shape when subjected to even minute pressures because of the lack of strong molecular cohesion. For example, gas will completely fill any container into which it is placed, expanding or contracting to adjust its shape to the limit of the container. The atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases such as argon or helium. Most of the oxygen is contained below 35,000 feet atmosphere. Alright, we'll hold off there. That's 10.1 and 10.2, that's chapter 10.